Hello, and welcome to Nubtle. We are your one-stop shop for meeting new clients. We charge a nominal fee only for confirmed bookings, making the process completely hassle-free for you. Our patented software automates the entire operation. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, we'll go through the registration process. Open your web browser and go to join.nubtle.com. You'll be asked to select your industry. If your expertise spans more than one industry, please choose the one that best represents you. For instance, if you are both a makeup artist and a hairstylist, select beautician. This will help us tailor your experience. If you're a business, enter your company name. Start typing your address to see suggestions and pick your full address from the list. It should automatically populate other fields. Don't worry, you can hide your address from clients. If you have a social media portfolio or a website, you can add it here. On the next page, you'll pick a unique username, followed by entering the main account holder's first and last name, an email address, and a phone number where you can receive SMS. Now, choose a strong password and repeat it to confirm. Then complete the CAPTCHA and click Register. Check your email for a verification link. Click it to verify your email. You'll then be prompted to verify your phone number via SMS. Our algorithm may automatically approve your account, or you will receive an approval notification after one of our agents reviews your information. Congratulations! You've successfully registered on Nubtle. Next step, setting up your client preferences. Proceed to log into your account using the username and password you chose in the last step. On your very first login, you'll be presented with a form containing mostly multiple-choice questions. These questions categorize your offered services for our algorithm. We know that the cost of your offered services can vary depending on the client's requirements, so we don't ask you to set a price for your offered services. Instead, you get the flexibility to negotiate your price with the client directly. Even if the form may look long, it takes less than 5 minutes to complete. Profile questions can vary depending on your industry. If you couldn't complete the form properly, don't worry, you can always visit Edit Profile to change your client preferences. Once you save your profile, you will receive a text message every time we find a new request for you. Now, let's talk about managing requests. You can check the pending request details by going to the pending section of your dashboard. The dashboard also gives you a quick view of your requests, performance graphs, and that day's appointments. Visit the All Requests page to view all of your current requests, including the pending ones. You can set an appointment, take notes, and connect with the client by clicking the Manage button beside each request. Send a message or ask for their direct contact information to take the dealings outside of Nubtle. You can also set an appointment by clicking the Set Appointment button and selecting a date and time. We will send both you and the client an email notification 15 minutes before the appointment time. Take notes by clicking on Add New Note, filling out the text area, and saving. If you'd like to be reminded about this note at a specific time, you can set a date and time for that. Nubtle will send only you a notification at the set time. Once you've dealt with the client directly and taken payment, simply click Mark as complete on the request page. This helps the algorithm understand the types of clients you like and matches you with similar types of clients in the future. This also adds the nominal referral fee to your next invoice. Don't worry, invoices aren't due immediately. You can meet a few clients before deciding to pay us and continue using our platform. If the client cancels or you can't reach a client, click Cancel Request. Remember, we only introduce you to the client. Confirming a booking with a booking fee is on you. Next, let's talk about the rest of our website. If you have a due invoice, you will see a notice about it on every page, along with an email notification. However, if you'd like to pay a pending invoice or simply view your past invoices, visit the Invoices section. Need to edit your account? Click Account from the menu and modify your account information with ease. If you need help, visit the Support page from the top bar. You'll be able to read our FAQs. If the FAQs are not sufficient, you can create a support ticket, and one of our team members will tend to you as soon as possible. We hope you find Nubtle helpful for your business growth. Have any feedback? Visit nubtle.com/support.